Year, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Happy New Year.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Maithili. Look at this beautiful Maithili who has gone so big. Hari Bol, Maithili. Where's your friend Janavi? She's not there.
Mataji.
So nice to see you, Maithili. Yes, beta. Who is it?
Tanvik. Hi, Krishna
Yes,
Keshav.
Hi, Krishna Tanvik. Isn't it too early for you?
Mataji is like at 11:20.
Oh, yeah, the time zone changed, right? Okay.
Hey, Krishna.
Oh, yeah, when we are in the morning, it is early for you, right? Yeah, 8:30 when it was earlier than this time.
Hare Krishna Mataji. This is Balavinda.
Hare Krishna Balavrinda, Hare Krishna Maithili, Tanvik and Raghav, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Suraj, I would really love to see your video.
Oh, I
Hare
just joined. Sorry.
Krishna Janavi and Krishna Keshav. Look at our youngest participant today. Youngest student. Wait, let me spotlight him.
Will they understand anything?
Sorry?
I'm not sure if they will understand anything though.
You know, when they're in mother's womb, that time also, if they're going to listen, they will understand. So how about when they are so big, right? Who was the
When
person?
Mataji, when I was small in my mom's tummy, my mom used to say Bhagavad Gita. So right now only I am saying the Bhagavad Gita chapters.
Very nice, very nice. Hi Krishna Rai Prahlad Samskriti. Rishikesh. Hi Krishna Advait. Mukund. So see, Mukund's name is Mukund plus Krishna plus Singh. Hi Krishna Ojasvi Suraj. Ryan, we have a new
Mataji.
we have a new friend with us. Hi Krishna Ryan.
Hare Krishna.
You can come on video. Do you want to come on video?
Yes.
Hi Bol. Is it your first time you're attending the class?
Yeah.
Very nice. Where are you from?
California.
California. Welcome to Govinda Group from California. How do we welcome our new guests? New friends. Sorry.
Krishna Ryan.
Haribo.
Hi.
Krishna.
From my home.
Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol. Okay. And how do we welcome Maithili? Hari Bol Maithili.
Haribo.
Very nice. Tulsi Manjari.
Look at what I'm
Mokshi.
making.
Very nice. Okay, we will see at the end, okay? Hi Krishna, Advait, Ramachandra. Prahlad also has a new name. Krishna, Nana and Rudra, Kabir, Hari Bol. Okay, so what we are going to do today?
I love your brother.
Janavi, huh?
Thank
You love Janavi's brother? Okay. So, what we'll do is we'll start with our prayers, okay? Everybody together, we can start with our prayers. Okay, let's see to it that we all can say it together at the same pace. Okay.
Om Hare Rama, Rama
Rama Rama Hare
Hare Hare Rama Hare Hare.
Okay. So we all remember, I know everybody is had a holiday. Everybody enjoy your vacations?
Yes, Mataji, we enjoyed.
Very nice. After a long,
Mataji, I had a very relaxing vacation.
very nice.
I went to Texas and went to Dallas and Houston and seen the Dallas Temple of Radha Kalaji. And then
Wow.
I also went to Houston and seen Radha Nilamadhav's temple too. It was really big.
Very nice. Very nice.
Mataji, I went to LA to see New Dwarka temple beauties.
Wow, you all are so amazing. So your vacations were also your Krishnamay, right?
Mataji, I just went to a high up on a mountain and then I saw a wild goat. Mataji, I went to Dallas.
Yes, you all went. You all went to Dallas.
You were in that one.
Very nice.
Mataji,
Yes.
I went to Dallas. When I
Dallas.
just went to a high mountain. Mataji, I saw Jambi at Dallas. Mataji, I saw
Very
Jambi at Dallas.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So you all had a wonderful vacation. So I know you all are recharged again.
Mataji,
Yes.
I just went high to a mountain and then I saw a wild goat.
You saw a wild goat.
Yeah.
What do you think? Who created that wild goat? What do you feel?
More wild goats.
I just found it on a high mountain.
You just found it on a high mountain. Okay, slowly we'll come to know who made that, who created that wild goat. Okay,
Krishna.
Krishna. Okay, we'll see. Let him answer after some time. Who's created? Okay, we'll come back to your question, Ryan. Okay, so as you all remember, do you all remember what we were doing? Vacation time.
Yes, Mataji, we were doing Srimad Bhagavatam.
Very good. So we were doing Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, and then we are on the 15th chapter. Okay. And so what are we doing? We are seeing the flow of the Bhagavatam, that how is it moving ahead, or how is it taking its turn through the all the Mahabharat and everything in the teachings of Lord Krishna, right? So we are, and why is it that the first canto has so many things mentioned in it?
About the creation.
Yeah, everything, many of the things, like it's like, the whole thing comprised together, it feels like. Why do you think so? Anybody has any? How many of you started reading it? I'll have the
Mataji, I read the whole first canto with my chanting friends, and we're in the second canto. We
Very
finished the
nice.
whole first canto and we're on the second canto.
Very nice. So Tanvik, he is in Australia, right? Tanvik, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, I'm in Australia.
Yeah, so you know what? Remember last time when I told you all that as we have started the Srimad Bhagavatam, learning the Srimad Bhagavatam, what you all can do is you all can at least listen to it when your parents are reading it out, or just as you want to read storybooks or you want to read something, the same way you can just start reading at least 2 verses, 3 verses at a time in a day, and then you will never know that once you finish the first canto reading. Okay, because see, in these stories nowadays we are going a lot slow, so that you all can understand what is going on, and then we will also try to find out what all we need to learn in it. Okay, so now today we are on the first, see how it is written, 1.15.14. So first we'll see what does that mean. Okay, so this is first canto, 15th chapter, the 14th verse. Okay, So suppose if you have to ever find out, okay, where am I? Then you have to open your first canto. So this one starts for the first canto. Then the 15 starts for the chapter, and then the 14 stands for the verse which is there in that chapter. Okay. Okay, who else is there? Kabir, Krishna, Lakshmi. Who is Lakshmi? Is it a new student?
Yeah, I think it's an adult only, Mataji. She has a kid. She recently started joining.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so then we can have Rai Prahlad. Can you start reading this?
Yes, Mataji. The military strength of the Kauravas was like an ocean in which there dwelled many
Invincible.
invincible existences, and thus it was
Insurmountable.
But because of his friendship, I, seated on the chariot, was able to cross over it, and only by his grace was I able to regain the cows and also collect by force many helmets of the kings, which were
bedecked
with jewels that were sources of all brilliance.
Very good. So these are the words of Arjuna when he was, we all know what's the plot right now, that Arjuna, he had been to Dwarika and then he went to meet Krishna over there. But when he went to meet Krishna, he could not meet Krishna. And what he heard was that Lord Krishna had already left this world and he could not meet him anymore. And when he came back to Yudhishthir was already seeing that there were very bad omens, there were very bad signs that something wrong has happened or something has happened which is not so very good for them. And Yudhishthir was very worried that, okay, what is it? Why is it that I'm seeing all these wrong things, or why is this that I'm seeing all these bad omens? Okay. And then when Arjuna comes back to Hastinapur, what happens is he tells that when I went over there, these are all the things which happened. And then they remember Krishna in all sorts of ways in which Krishna had helped them, right? Remember, Krishna was always on the side of truth. And Krishna was always on the side of those people who are on the side of truthfulness, who are righteous, and who are on the side of dharma. Okay. So then Krishna was always on the side of the Pandavas. And now the Pandavas were remembering each and every instance where the Lord has helped them. So Arjuna, on his way, now he's remembering that how Krishna, it was only because of Krishna that they could survive. You know, like how the Pandavas, when they lost in the court of the Kauravas, when they lost in the game of dice, what happened was everything from them was taken away, right? And then they had to, what was their punishment was that they had to go into exile, okay, for I think 13 years, no, 11 years or 12 years.
It wasn't a punishment and it wasn't taken away from them. They betted on it and they lost the bet, so they lost that.
Yeah, so as a punishment, they had to do that because of
Mataji, I know
Yes.
it. So actually they were sent for 13 years. So when they passed 12 years, for the 13th year it was
13th
hiding
year
away
was
from the Kauravas.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
there
when
was
they had
13
to
years.
do that, they had to look for such a king, or they had to look for such a place wherein they could stay hiding their identity. Okay. So they had to stay in such a way for 1 whole year. So there was only one king called King Virat who had given them shelter. Okay. And then in that whole year, there was a condition by which that whole year they shouldn't be identified by anyone, or the Kauravas should not find them. And if at all they find them, they have to again was ring that the Kauravas, they had a lot of military strength. Okay, and then they could have easily found the Pandavas in each and every way, by all possible ways they could have found. Okay, so then what happened was that Arjuna says that it was only because of Krishna. We have seen, right? Last time we also saw that how when the Pandavas, they were there in exile, who was the Muni who came to have food, and then he came with all.
Durvasa Muni.
Maharshi Durvasa.
I think it was in the 14th chapter. No, in the 15th chapter only we saw. I think it was the 3rd or the 4th verse where we saw this.
Mataji, it was Maharshi Durvasa.
Yeah, Maharshi Durvasa who came, and then so there were all sorts of problems which always came in their way. And who found a way out in that condition also for the Pandavas?
Krishna.
Krishna,
Lord
right?
Krishna.
Lord Krishna.
Draupadi prayed for Krishna, to Krishna, because she knew about Durvasa's temper and she didn't want to get in big trouble, so she prayed to Krishna and Krishna helped them.
Yes, right. So now see
And
this. Yes.
Mataji, because
Yes.
Krishna ate the one seed in the vessel, so Durvasa could realize that
He
the
was
power
already
of
full,
Krishna.
right? Yes. So then there was only one morsel, only one grain of rice which was left in the pot. And when he ate that, all the people who had come, all the disciples of Durvasa Muni and the Durvasa Muni himself, what did happen? They started burping.
Mataji, look,
Yes, Ryan?
look.
Let me look at you. Wait.
This is
Very
drawing.
fine.
I think he drew the picture about what you were talking
Oh,
about.
Bhagavad Gita, huh, Ryan? Okay, very nice.
Army.
It's an army, right?
Oh,
Very
so
nice.
it's
Yeah,
the
I'm going to give you a one
Here.
thing. Very nice, Ryan. Very nice. And I hope you're listening also.
Mataji,
Very nice. Very nice. You know what is this called? This is
Mataji,
also
can I
called-
show this, Mataji? I did it from Damodar class. It's a calendar.
Very nice. Very nice. So what, let us at the end of our class, let us see what you all have done. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Very nice. And I have one idea for you all. Let's do that at the end of our class. Okay.
Mataji, I did this, Mataji. Can you see?
Yes, good job. Keep it over there, okay? So that I can show it to everyone, and then we can.
Okay, I'll finish it off, Mataji. I didn't finish it yet.
Okay. So everybody is listening, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. So see, what is Arjuna saying is the military strength of the Kauravas was like an ocean in which there dwelt many invincible existences. Does this mean that Arjuna was feeling that Duryodhan is a lot very powerful? Or what do you think? Whom is he talking about? Any ideas? Because in the next verse, we are going to look into that.
About Krishna.
He was talking about Lord, the Supreme Lord.
No, in the Kauravas, he's saying.
Mataji, I think he was talking
Kauravas.
about Bhishma, Dhruva, Dronacharya, and Bhishma.
Very good, very nice, right? So Arjuna is talking about the warriors who were there on the side of the Kauravas, who had to fight because they were, due to some or the other oath, they were stuck with their kingdom in which they belonged. Okay, so though they wanted, they could not fight from the side of the Pandavas. So the invincible existences, okay, dwelt many invincible existences. That means there were many of them who were really, really very powerful, but they all were on the side of the Kauravas. And it is and what is Arjuna trying to say is, but because of his friendship. So who is this H-I, his? But because of his friendship, I, seated on the chariot, was able to cross over it.
Krishna.
This is
Yeah.
This is Krishna, right? So so Arjuna tried to tell him, tell Yudhishthir Maharaj that it was only because of the friendship of Krishna. See, if Arjuna, he was the best friend of Krishna, right? So you know what? When there was always a Bhagavad Gita competition in Detroit, one Prabhu, he always asked the kids, "What is your relation with Krishna?" What do you all feel? Let me
Sons.
just.
Son and we're all the children of Krishna.
Okay. Very
I
good.
like Krishna because he's very kind and he loves everyone.
Okay, one second. Where's the stop share? Okay. Yeah, I just want to talk to you all.
Friends.
Yes. Yeah. So yeah, what were we saying?
Relationship.
Okay. What else? Prahlad, what do you think? What is your relationship with Krishna?
Krishna is very like mild. I don't feel like a lot of connection.
Sorry, go ahead again, Prahlad.
It feels little mild.
Okay. Okay, so make a connection. Suppose you have a friend, okay, a new student who has joined your class. I would really appreciate if you all can come on video. I really love to see you all. Whoever, for whomever it's possible, no matter if you're having your food or it's your dinner time, you can still come on video. Yeah, whoever, for whomever it's possible, okay?
Mataji, no, I don't want to interrupt, but I just want to say my relation with Krishna is being a friend, because well, like I can't think of anything else.
Okay. Who else?
Mataji, I think Krishna is our father and mother.
Okay. Very nice.
Mataji,
Ryan?
I feel that Krishna is my sister and brother.
Okay. Yes, Ryan. What's Krishna to you?
Everyone loves Krishna because he's killing all demons.
Okay, everyone loves him because he kills demons. Okay.
Yes, but in the spiritual world, there is no disgraceful thing.
Okay. So many of them, for us, it is that okay, the Krishna is our father. Krishna, yes, Rai Prahlad?
I feel that Krishna is my friend.
Okay. Ojasvi?
Yes, Mataji. I feel like Krishna is my friend.
Okay. Balaram, Janvi, Ramachandra. Go ahead one at a time.
I feel like Krishna is my father and mother, because I
Okay.
heard something that like, I think it was a song, it had like Krishna is your father, Krishna is your mother.
Yes, very nice. Yes, Janvi?
Yeah,
Balaram.
Mataji, I was just asking my dad about that sloka. It's Krishna is
Okay.
your mother, Krishna is your father, Krishna is the bottom of your heart, and then something else.
Yeah, Krishna
Very nice.
Mata, Krishna Pita, Krishna Dhanapra.
Very nice. You all have such beautiful understandings, right? Wonderful. So, you know what, when you are very small, when you like, we're not still understanding all the concepts, no, like the best way to make a connection was that, okay, Krishna is my best friend, right? Because see, when you are so small, you have been watching what, like Krishna movies and all the Krishna cartoons, or reading some stories from the Krishna book. You know what I found yesterday in my school, the Krishna book, and then I immediately grabbed it, because then for all the students over there, we are going to have a story time, and then we are going to read stories from the Krishna book. Beautiful start, right, of the year. So for like at a very younger age, you know what happens is, I'm going to again start our screen share. So when you consider, see, when you are making a connection with someone, if you can, if you can directly relate, oh yes, Krishna, he has been doing such naughty things, or Krishna, he has been in his childhood, he also what troubled his mom. He also troubled his sister. Yes, Ryan?
When I go to the bathroom.
Yeah, go and come, go.
Mataji,
Yes.
I have this mini 4-book collection of the Krishna book. One minute. I don't think you can see it.
Yeah, Mataji, I have two. It's the kids edition. The
Kids edition, very nice. And you know what? In this new year, you should, we'll talk about the resolutions when we are talking in the next part. And that time we will talk something very important. Okay, just remind me if I forget. So Arjuna over here, he was saying that only because of the friendship of Lord Krishna that I seated on the chariot was able to cross over it. So always remember, like just like how Arjuna, though he was a great warrior, okay, when he at the time of the Kurukshetra war, when Duryodhan and Arjun, he went to seek help from Krishna. There were two options for them, right? Either they could take Krishna or they could take the whole army, the Narayani Sena of Krishna. Okay. And at that time, Arjuna, he said, I do not worry about what comes along, or I do not worry if I get Krishna alone, but I just want Krishna. I just want you by my side. Okay. And that was the level of friendship which he had with Krishna. That was the level of faith which he had on Krishna. So no matter whatever calamities come, no matter whatever problems come, if the Lord is there on your side, if you are on the path of truth, it is always going to be a win-win for you, right? When the Lord is there with us, you do not have to worry about anything else as long as you are on the right path. So then, see, on God, these verses, they have so much depth in detail. We will go according to a story because it is, you all are so young. So if when it is made into a story type, you'll be hooked to it or you will love it. Okay. Now, this is the second instance where second thing which he's trying to tell in the same quote is that only by his grace was I able to regain the cows and also collect by force many helmets. Was Arjuna looking for helmets? What do you think?
No.
These helmets stand for the heads. That means the kings who were on the side of Duryodhan, and they were trying to create all sorts of problems for the Pandavas. Okay, because Duryodhan was trying to reveal their identity at each and every step so that they could again go back in exile. Okay, so at that time, in the last year of their exile, they were staying in the kingdom of the Matsya kingdom. That's the Virat king. Okay. And over there, when they were staying, Duryodhan, he had a hint that maybe the Pandavas have taken shelter with King Virat. And then he tried to create a lot of problems for them. And Arjuna was now remembering everything, that see how when I was standing on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, I could see the warriors who were there on both the sides and I had to fight them. And then he was remembering all the warriors which were there. Okay.
Mataji, I don't want to correct you or anything, but I just want to tell you that Yudhishthira didn't plan that.
Yudhishthira didn't plan what?
No, you said that Yudhishthira wanted to reveal their identity or something.
Not Yudhishthira, Duryodhan.
Okay, my ears are tricking me.
Duryodhan wanted to reveal the identity. Okay, and then Arjuna was remembering that there were warriors on the side of Kauravas as well. Balaram, you have something to say? Balaram, Kabir, Ojasvi, Mukund?
No.
I think it was from before.
Okay, what I'll do is I'll just lower the hands so that, okay, if anybody has any new queries, you can raise your hands, okay? So then there were Bhishma Dev, okay? There is Dronacharya, there was Dronacharya, then there was Kripacharya, there's Karna. So these were the warriors, King Shailya. So these were the warriors who were really, really very brave. and it was because each and everyone had a boon, and so it was very hard to let them down in the battlefield, or like have defeat them in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. So Arjuna, in this when we read this, he said that there were many warriors who were really very hard to be dealt with, but it was only because of Krishna that I could do whatever was needed in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, right? So then next one, Mukund, can you read this para for us, please?
Yes, Mataji. When the Pandavas were living at the palace of Virat Incognito, the Kauravas picked a quarrel with the king Virat and decided to take away his large number of cows. While they were taking away the cows, Arjuna fought with them incognito and was able to regain the cows along with some booty taken by force. The jewels set on the turbans of the royal order, Arjuna remembered that all this was possible by the grace of the Lord. Hare Krishna.
Right? Hare Krishna. So incognito means they had to hide their identity. Okay, so incognito means they had to hide their identity, and then they had to stay in Virat. And at that time,
is it time to go home?
you're so sweet, Ryan. We are going to do one fun activity, okay? So just hold on. After this class,
Ryan thinks this is school. Like he has to go
I'm
home.
so happy, Ryan, that you are considering this as a school. Ryan, how old are you?
6.
Sorry?
6.
8, 8-year-old?
I think it's 6.
6-year-old.
6, Mataji.
6-year-old. Okay, Ryan, what you can do is, if you want to keep on drawing and then listening, that's also okay with us, okay? Because you love drawing, at the end of the class, I'm going to tell you something important, something specially for Ryan, okay? So just hold on. Okay, so then Arjuna was remembering this. Okay, the next part, we'll go back to the next part. Ramachandra, can you read this for us?
Sure, Mataji. It was he only who withdrew the duration of life from everyone, and who in the battlefield withdrew the speculative power and strength of enthusiasm from the great military phalanx made by Kauravas, headed by Bhishma, Karna, Drona, Salya, etc. Their arrangement was expert and more than adequate, but he, Lord Sri Krishna, while going forward, did all this.
Very good. See, so he was remembering Lord Krishna in a way that he is the all-powerful, right? And though there were so many great warriors present on the other side of the Kauravas, and their arrangements means they had the like all sorts of when there is a war, they have their war strategies to be done, right? So they had perfect war strategies which were done on each day, either by Karna, by Drona, by like Bhishma. But then because it was that the expert advice of Lord Krishna, that they could do it. Okay. Now in this paragraph, what it said that it was he only who withdrew the duration of life from everyone. Remember when Lord Krishna showed Arjuna his Virat form.
After the class.
Sorry, Ryan.
I told mommy, he said that Mataji is going to tell me he's something after the class.
Yes, I'm going to tell you after this one. I'm going to tell you something important, okay? Which you will really love. And maybe everybody will love that. Okay, so see, this was the time when Arjuna had seen the Virat, the universal form of the Lord, right? And then Arjuna was already he was already mesmerized by seeing the Virat form of the Lord, like all the people, they were getting inhalated in the mouth of Lord Krishna. And so he knew whatever the Lord was trying to explain it to him, that these all people are already dead, these all souls, you just have to fight because I am ordering you to do it. Like it's on my instructions that you have to do it, right? So we will, who is there? Tulasi Manjari is there?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, can you read this for us, please?
Shamataji, Sarvasya cha hamriti sanivishtamata smritirjayanamapohanam cha vedaischa sarvaraham vedyo vedanta kritveda videva chaham.
Very good.
Should I read the translation too?
Yeah, Samskriti can read the translation, please.
I am seeing everyone's heart, and from me come embrace, knowledge, and forgetfulness. By all the Vedas, I am to be known. Indeed, I am the
Compiler.
compiler of Vedanta, and I am the knower of the Vedas.
Very good. Right. So these were this is the verse which tells us that everything comes from Krishna, and like Krishna is seated in everyone's heart, right? And that is the reason Arjuna could see all the universal form of Krishna. It was only because of the will of Krishna that he could see the universal form, and then he could see what the beginning is and what the end was, right? So in these two verses, he has remembered Krishna on the battlefield. And as we go ahead, we are also going to see that how he has looked into like what Krishna did for them, how Krishna has been helping them all along, and then how Krishna was, as a best friend, he tried to help them out. Okay, so I have something else for you. Yeah, okay, we were going to talk to Ryan about something, right? Is Ryan there still with us?
I think he is.
Yes, Ryan. So now it will be for each and everyone also, but then see how you can do it. Okay. So now what are the things that you're reading right now related to your Krishna book? What are you reading right now? Are you reading a story? Are you reading the Bhagavad Gita? Are you reading anything, any story?
We're reading the Srimad.
Mataji, I just finished the little Krishna book.
Okay, so if you have, okay, now that Advait is telling us that he's finished the little Krishna book, what you all can do is,
Mataji,
yes,
I finished Bhagavatam, I think so. Like not the Bhagavatam, I finished like chapter, what chapter, mommy?
Few chapters.
Yeah, few chapters.
Okay, so what you all are, okay, no worries, no worries. So one thing which I want to tell you, this might be an ongoing process for you all. Like anytime when you read something, okay, suppose now you are reading a book wherein Krishna is killing Putana, okay. So Ryan, this is for you also. When you read something or when you listen to some story, Ryan, where is Ryan? Because he wanted something.
Mataji, he's there, but for some reason he's muted.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so what you can do is you can start, suppose if you read a story, then try to draw the story in a picture. Now suppose it is Krishna and Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Okay, just like how Ryan drew the cover page of the Bhagavad Gita, right? So what you all can do is whatever you are reading, try to make a small picture form of it. Like suppose Krishna is killing Putana. So you can draw a Putana demon. Now that does not mean that you have to be very fantastic in your drawing skills. You can draw as you are, as according to your skills. Can you all do that? And then at the end of the week, then you can just check to what you have read and how much you have read. So if you're reading any chapter book related to your Krishna consciousness, you can try to enact that thing on a paper. Is that going to be easy or is that going to be hard?
Mataji, what if the book is
That
not
will be super easy. I can even do that.
Okay. Yes, Ramachandra, you had something to ask?
What if the book is not Krishna consciousness? The same thing?
Yeah, could we?
Yes, you can do the same thing for another book also. Or you know what? How many of you have started with the Back to Godhead magazine?
I read a few of them.
Yeah, so when you're reading that, you can draw from that as well. Okay, because
I read every Sunday. There's new of them every Sunday at the temple.
New at them at every Sunday?
Yeah, the temple puts these new back to God heads.
Very
So
nice,
just
very
read them
nice.
and put them back. Like if you want, you could take them, but I don't take them.
Okay, very nice. So if you can, please read those, and then you can, if you have anything to do with it, you can also draw from it, or you can also try to do any story related to that, or anything which is there, you try to draw it. That what will happen in that process, your imagination, you're bringing your stories into reality. That will, it will make a good connection with whatever you are reading. So just to have a new, Ryan, is that okay with you? Okay, I guess he can hear us, but then
Mataji,
he is
maybe you
not.
have to ask him to unmute because I don't know if he knows how to unmute.
Yeah, he is busy in his drawing world, I guess. We'll leave him alone. Okay, so Tanvi, can you read the first paragraph for us over here? Can you all see this new screen?
Yes,
Yes,
Mataji.
Mataji, Mataji, where are you to stop?
Can you see the new screen? The Vaishnava way
Yeah.
of celebrating New Year?
It says New Year. What is
Mataji.
the Vaishnava way?
Yeah, so can you read the first paragraph, Tanvik?
Srila Prabhupada told, for us every day is new because Krishna is ever fresh and
Ever
ever,
new.
ever new, and we celebrate him. But these materialist people
Need to drink.
this poison to forget the frustrations, misgivings of the past year. We do not need to celebrate being intoxicated as the pleasure in the mode of ignorance. We can celebrate it being by being intoxicated by the holy name.
Very
In the
good.
holy name.
Thank you so much. So see, this is the Vaishnava way of celebrating New Year. Okay. So Srila Prabhupada had said that, New Year, normally the trend everywhere is that people, they go on a big party and then they have all sorts of drinks and then they will be dancing all around, but with all these drinks and celebrating in a not so good way. Okay. So then Srila Prabhupada said that, yes, we also do a party. We also are going to drink, but what is it? We will be drinking nectar, which has been offered to the Lord, right? We will also be dancing, but we will be dancing in front of the Lord, right?
Mataji, what nectar?
Nectar means the offerings which are made to the Lord.
Okay.
Mataji,
Yes.
if we do a Harinama party in the front of Lord Krishna on the street, would that be nice to do
Yes,
that?
definitely.
Yes,
Definitely.
Lord Krishna himself is right there.
Right, so we are in a party, remember, like those who have been those who celebrate the New Year in the temple, at least in the Dallas temple, the Detroit temple, the New Year darshan, that is the darshan at night 12 o'clock, is a view, everybody waits for that darshan. And normally, like at least for before the COVID times in Dallas, there was always a 3 to 4 days. The last 3 to 4 days were the Kirtan 50 hours of Kirtan was always been held. Okay. And then this,
Wait,
because,
Mataji, 15, 5, 1, 5 or 5, 0?
50.
50.
50,
That's a
50.
lot.
Yes, so then that's, I think it's for 3 days, and
It's
then
more than
everybody
2
takes
days.
different
That's
slots.
for
in which,
3 days.
yes,
But
everybody
no,
takes
Well,
different
barely
slots.
over 2
Oh.
days.
Wait,
This
Mataji,
year was over 3 days.
when you said,
I mean 2 days.
Days and 2 hours.
Mataji, when you said
Yeah,
50
2 days and
hours,
2
I thought you meant like, wait, do they do it at night also?
Yes, at
Yeah.
night also. That's
So,
the that's the thing.
It's just like 24-hour Kirtan, except they continue it for
Double.
50 hours.
Yes, and then
oh, so
everybody,
it's
Basically
2 hours
double.
extra than usual in
yes,
2
then
days.
everybody volunteers at different slots. There is the youth group also who volunteers, and then there is a party.
Mataji, is it time to go home?
Yes, it's time to go home. If we just read this part and then we'll go home, okay?
Wait, so Mataji, does that mean that when it ends, it's going to be at 2 a.m. it ends?
Yeah, and then they take a break for some time unless until anybody wants to keep on chanting or keep
Oh,
on
okay.
singing. So it's basically that. And then in the morning after the darshanarti, everything again starts back, because then all the other rituals are still going on, right? All the other services for the Lord are still going on. But then people are chanting and dancing, and at the new year there is a whole party like atmosphere, because everybody is dancing in front of the Lord and everybody is waiting for the new year, that is the 12 o'clock, that they want to see the Lord again. Okay.
Oh, so
then
Mataji,
what
so
is,
this is after,
Mataji.
before New Year. So they started 2 days before New Year or something like that?
yes, at
Oh,
least in
okay.
Dallas it was like the 50 hours kirtan, and then
So
each
50
place
hours
has
before
its
New
own.
Year's there was the art.
Yeah, so then that's what everybody wants to see. Though we say that yes, our new years are every day. See what Srila Prabhupada is saying, for us every day is a new year, because Krishna is ever fresh and evergreen. Every day is the Lord's darshan is new, right, for us. So we are celebrating new day every day with Krishna. But according to the material world, according to the material calendar, there are days which are being fixed, right? So when you are following those days, why not be in the service of the Lord? Why not be in front of the Lord when you are doing all these, right? So, but these materialistic people need to drink this poison. Poison is, that means whatever the intoxicated drinks they are drinking, and then they are getting all intoxicated. That's not a good thing. Rather get intoxicated in the holy name of the Lord, right? Krishna, yes.
Do you know the story about Prabhupada and then the intoxicated person keep on following him and stuff like that? You know that story?
You want to tell us?
I don't remember that story.
I have never heard of that story.
It's that like
Oh, okay, never mind.
Yeah, go ahead, Krishnan.
it's like some intoxicated lady keeps on following Prabhupada because she like drank one of those like intoxicating things. So she kept on following Prabhupada and annoying him. So and then he got locked outside from his room because of her without the key, and then he had to go to one of his friends. I don't know who, but he had to go to one of them, and then she kept on following him like everywhere. So Prabhupada like he was pushing, got the key, opened his thing, and then the next day when he was giving lecture, that same intoxicated person came to his lecture and was sitting and listening.
Wow, amazing, right? Wonderful, wonderful, very nice. Krishnanena, you want to read this
The
paragraph?
power of association.
Moreover, this is not New Year according to the Vedic tradition. As per Vedic calendar, the New Year comes on Diwali, where we light candles, do puja, distribute sweets, gifts, buy new clothes, and celebrate. On the other hand, if you see the way nowadays,
People celebrate.
the people celebrate by getting drunk, vomiting, sleeping till next day. Thus the welcome the New Year and hangover
Because
because that the Western culture of celebrating things by getting drunk to forget all miseries. People celebrate New Year according to the English calendar because all countries were ruled by British Europeans. Thus, that they passed on their duty culture to us.
right?
Mataji, so can I say
Yes,
something?
yes, Advait.
So if Diwali is New Year, then that means it's New Year's the same day Rama comes back, right?
Yes. So you know what? See, Diwali is, see, according to your when the merchants or those who are doing business, for them, they have their new books on like in Diwali time, they have their new books which they start with. So for them, the new financial year starts at that time. So then for them, that is a start of the new year. And according to our, our Hindu traditions, see, New Year means something new beginning, right? So during the month of March and April, when if for you also it's spring, that after the winter has been done and all the snow is gone, and then new leaves start sprouting, right, on the branches. Do you see that the
Yeah.
new leaves, right? The snow is gone and the
Also,
new.
it's new because when Rama comes back, he becomes king. So it's a new king.
Yes, it's that time, and also during the month of March and April, when it is like everything starts emerging to life back again after the heavy snow or after the heavy cold season, right? So then each and every tradition in India, we see that either it is Gudi Padwa or it is, I think it is also Baisakhi, everything, everywhere, it is around those months that we start celebrating the new beginnings. So instead of having
Ugadi.
calendar, so this new year also has its own
Mataji,
significance.
Ugadi.
Yes, Ugadi. So this new year also has its own significance. Okay, that because it is the new calendar year which starts, so we cannot just refute it away. But only the thing is that if you are going to celebrate, why not celebrate it with the Lord? Okay, that is what Srila Prabhupada is trying to tell, because the traditions nowadays all over the, not over only in US, it's in India as well. Everywhere is that, okay, just get drunk, go away from family, just be by yourself with your friend somewhere, and just celebrate by all sorts of doing all sorts of wrong things. So this is what Srila Prabhupada is trying to tell us, that some tradition, like you get drunk, then you sleep, then next day when you have to, when you should be really getting up early, rather you will be sleeping as the new beginning, right? New beginning means you get up early in the morning and then you start fresh. But because of these all wrong traditions, people have forgotten, like 31st means they celebrate and do all sorts of wrong things. Ramachandra, can you read this last part for us, please?
Sure, Mataji. A Vaishnava can meditate that I have got a limited time to fulfill my goal to achieve Krishna, and I am 1 year closer to death. I should be more serious, sincere, determined, and bring urgency in my chanting, taking shelter of Srila Prabhupada's books. Here, we can welcome the new year by attending Mangal Harati, chanting an association of devotees, visiting the nearest temple, or hearing a tape of our Guru Maharaj or Srila Prabhupada. Thus, wishing you all a very, very happy and Krishna conscious new year.
Right? So this is the message what Srila Prabhupada had given, and then His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj, he has just explained it in that way. Okay, everybody has understood what we have done today. Ryan, thank you for hanging on with us. And next time I want to see your drawing, which, okay, today we had Balavrinda was also showing us some drawing, right?
Mataji,
yes,
Ryan and
Damodar
me
activity.
Mataji, Ryan and me did the same activity.
Yeah, it's Damodar class activity, Mataji. Children, I made stop children because it's holidays. I told children need to stay because we have another class. So everybody was doing Damodar activity while listening.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. So, yeah, so Tanvik is also there with us. Tanvik. Yes, Tanvik. Very nice. So Tanvik has drawn Narsimadev, right? Very nice. Good job. And maintain these as a notebook, okay? Just don't keep this as pages. Very nice. So that you can remember what you have done. Okay, you can file it up. No worries, Balavrinda. You can file it up. So remember what you are going to do whenever you're reading something. See to it that if you can draw, okay? If you can draw, then that would be great. That would be really, really nice for you all. So that you can see that what you have understood from that story. Okay? Everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we'll do is we'll end the call today. Okay? And then we'll meet again tomorrow. Okay? Vancha kalpatarubhyascha
Hare Krishna,
Koti Vaishnava ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Sita Priti Mata ki jai. Bye bye.
Hare Krishna,
Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.
I'm closing the call. Hari Bol.